Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Nongialam bat kidukot jong kaseng KSU Thma University Union menta kasengi ka arflai tarik unai lor hajar ar kilapenlong ni kajinya ki halor ka jingbam shimkhia jong Vice Chancellor Jong ka Thma University bar ka jingbam tre ka jong u bani kendu kidukot jong kaseng hakaba na kaliang kaseng kala khang tala shisendon ni ka te ka school hakapor khandai shiteng men stem Katkum Nongialam kaseng KSU Thma University Union kilai thu bekilale banbu ikajingkerpat lengbar kajingtho hakanyau tarik unai tung hajar na kapenta banyakendu yau banyakran halor kimat kibadan kam henry hadu menta uklam pediang satya yakate kajingkerpat kajongki kajingthmu jong kaseng banyakran kadai halor kajingkiu sendan jong kajingsi yaka graduation certificate miss management bat kiwi kibakta ikikna puli hakate ka school ba Hakate kajinya ki kalami Thma ya tainia Ktien Hapdeng kidukot jong kaseng baru Vice Chancellor barhadin katu kat nepor la 1.0 ki bor pulit jong ka bernihan balala bantemno ya kate kajinya kulmar bat nakaliang Vice Chancellor kate ka University ulakular ban penbiang kite kijing dawa hapo khatsan sengi lengba ka shithi
He came here to solve the student problem.
Now you are telling
Sir, we want clarification. Why is there so much difference? Why from 10? Why is it there is an 8,500? Why is it there is 21,000? And why is it that is there 28,000? What is going on?
Okay, now
What is going on? That is what we want, sir. Give us a clarification and give us a definite fee that we should pay.
see clarification will be given.
Now, sir, you have it in your writing, sir. Definitely. If these
No,
are
now
official,
I
if
can
these are
change.
official charges, sir.
I can approve you.
If these are official charges, you must have records, sir.
Sir,
You must have records. So
since last
show us
month,
the
what were you
records.
doing, sir, when we give you the application?
Show us the records
Did
that
you
you've
solve any of
written.
it?
Students will be
Actually-
charged
Did you solve
as
any of
per,
it?
as per. Give
Did you
us.
solve any of it?
Actually-
we have given you the application since last month. What
It
were you
was
doing? And now when we came here, you said,
No,
we
he
will-
does not come
we will
borrow.
discuss.
Last
No,
1 month
sir.
he did not.
Don't make us fool.
No, he was
Give us
very busy.
Don't give us any excuse.
Ini mentan
How about let us
Since
solve
last
it.
month, what were you doing, sir?
No, you have to
You are here, you have to solve it.
Let us solve it. Let us solve it. If you are a student leader, you should solve it.
Gua ini kata. Gua kasih pensihat.
Exam. So it is. So many universities are there.
No, they are there.
Sir, they are not giving us any information about that,
My
sir.
question is, sir is asking, and we are from Mahatma Gandhi University. We are requesting.
We also are students of Mahatma Gandhi.
How much you are going to pay? What is the?
No, sir.
What is student demand? That I will like
No.
to
It is not what we want.
No, by listen.
It is not what we want.
No.
Why?
How
That
to
is
solve?
not
Why
your
the
lookout.
sudden-
You tell what you can pay.
No, what? How to solve?
No, sir.
No, sir. We want to know who is making the charges here, sir. That from 8,000.
Our rights we demand! Our rights we demand! Our rights we demand! Our rights we demand! Our rights! Keluar kari! Keluar kari! Keluar kari! Keluar kari!
Unless we even if the chancellor tells us we won't talk. Unless we face unless we yes, we will discuss. But if you can't stop, no.
It is not correct way.
No, sir.
No.
That's why we are protesting. What for? Then what were you doing? Where do we see sleeping?
My question is.
What were you doing here? He said the VC is here for the student.
We will discuss.
The VC is here for the student.
Please wait.
See, last date. When? 7th of July. Where? Where is to fulfill? Where is to fulfill? Did they provide us internship? No. Did they? No. This is our way.
So we have been
This
waiting.
is our way.
And
This is our way. To
Faculty members all are sir.
No, we have sent
That
them
is
out.
not correct way. No.
No. Yes,
No.
sir.
Is it correct way?
Yes.
So
That is the way, sir.
they are not. We don't do that.
They are giving.
They are not.
No. But they provide us
No, my question is,
No, 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 no. No, sir.
is it correct way?
Go to see, call the chancellor. He wants
That's
to
why
face to
we're
face.
respecting them, sir. That's why we're asking them to come out.
How your
No, no, we do not want that.
how your
They are here
They
just
can sit somewhere else.
because of
They can
us.
sit in block D also, sir. We did not. We locked the administration building. We're not angry with the
sir.
teachers. We're angry with the administration.
Minister, no.
So if the teachers can go up there, sir, and sit in block D, we have no issue with that. But the administration should be closed because it is the administration.
Is it correct way? To
Yes,
No, no, sir. It is.
definitely.
We have to. You can't say it's correct way.
Oh, maganda ni rokom jang isla.
We've spoken with them. We've given them an application. We've even met them. But where are they now?
They are leaving without
Where are
informing
they?
us.
Sir, they told us that within 2 days they will give us an answer. But now,
Where are they?
just even a simple message. The president herself, Millie ma'am, told us that whenever you have anything, whenever you have
Contact us personally.
grievances, text me personally, call me personally. But when we call her, sir, she.
We have the proof. I have texted her yesterday.
We waited for
She
her
didn't
here
respond to
for
my message.
hours. We waited, sir, for her to just give a simple reply, but nothing was given from her, sir. So is that the way, sir? We've asked.
They came
Isn't
here
that
just
the
to
way,
take the
sir?
money.
So
Just to take the money.
they're
they
doing
came.
whatever
We don't
they
like
want.
that.
So why can't we, sir?
But it is.
We are paying. We are paying our money, sir. Our parents are working so hard to pay our fees, but then they are
Reply to-
Okay,
respond to our message.
let her,
No, sir.
let her talk to you.
No, not in phone. We are no more. No more excuse from our
No,
side.
no.
We don't have
On
patience.
this
sir.
one,
We don't have patience now.
no, no.
For now, we will not. We do not have patience. No, sir. Your duty is to control the chancellor. So please control him. Ask him to come now.
But how can
No,
you come?
no, 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 no.
No, no. You
We demand! All rights! We demand! All rights! We demand! All rights!